Hey guys, I'm back. Just driving home in the Cummins, and I've been getting a lot of questions on YouTube about the Holley fuel pump, how it's been doing for me, how much fuel pressure it actually makes, and I figured I'd do a little follow-up video. Sorry, it's a little blurry there. I installed the Holley 7 months ago, and I just wanted to give a little 7 month. I think I put about probably 10,000 miles on the truck since the fuel pump. So I just wanted to give you guys just a little update. So right now we're cruising at 45, but we're actually doing 55 and about 1550 RPM in fifth gear. Here's the fuel pressure now. It's a let's see, 23. 22, 23. So, and that's just cruising. That's really not that bad. At idle, we're still sitting at 25 at idle. So, I mean, I'm extremely happy. I'm just pulling onto the interstate here. I will I'll throw her down into fourth and go wide open, and we'll see where the fuel pressure sits at wide open in fourth. Going straight here. Focused. Alright, we're gonna go wide open. Get through this bouncy section here. $140 to do this. I mean, it's 7 months later and I haven't had one issue. The only thing I don't like about it, I wish it could be different, is the switch to turn it on. Every time I start the truck, I have to turn the fuel pump on manually and turn it off when I shut the truck off. I had it hooked up to the factory lift pump, and it creates too much fuel pressure too quick, and the truck won't start. The VP can't overpower the fuel pressure. So I mean, it works the way I got it. I wish it could be just on the key, so all I have to do is just turn the key and start it. But I mean, $140, I really can't complain. So yeah, there's your little update. Just want to do a little 7 month 10,000 mile update, see how it was doing for me still, and that's it. Hope this helped you guys out. Hope you enjoyed. I'll catch y'all later.